In this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like to grade a Google assignment LTI 1.3 in Canvas. So I am in my assignments right now, and I have clicked on the assignment that I have given, this Google assignment. Now I can see below that I have one person that has submitted this assignment. So I'm going to click on that student. And when I do, it's going to bring me to the Google assignment. It's going to show the assignment on the left-hand side of the screen. And then it's going to give me a place on the right-hand side to leave feedback and to give a grade. So you can see that this has already been submitted once. I had sent feedback and then the student resubmitted it. And so maybe I want to say great improvement. I can see that you put a lot of thought into this presentation. So I've added the comment. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this student, let's say, a 5 out of 5. And now when I do, you can see that when I gave that grade, that this turned up here, it turned blue so that I can return it. If I click on the arrow right down here, right to the right of the return button, it's going to allow me to either return the submission or return multiple submissions. So I'm going to go ahead and click return. And you will see when I do that, that it is going to let me know that the student will be notified, and I'm going to click return.